Discover the top 7 best drone cameras. So amazing that elevate your aerial photography and videography experience. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, these drones combine cutting-edge technology, impressive camera quality, and advanced features to capture stunning visuals from the sky. Explore the best options for capturing breathtaking shots and seamless footage with unmatched performance. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. Yuneec Typhoon H+. The Yuneec Typhoon H+ is a professional-grade drone designed to meet the needs of aerial photographers and videographers. Equipped with a powerful 1-inch 20-megapixel CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 4K Ultra HD video at 60 frames per second and high-resolution stills with incredible detail. Its 6-rotor design ensures stability and reliability, even in challenging wind conditions, while retractable landing gear provides an unobstructed 360-degree view for its advanced camera. The Typhoon H+ boasts intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me, Orbit, and Curve Cable Cam, enabling effortless creativity. Its ST-16S ground station, with a 7-inch HD touchscreen, gives real-time video streaming and precise control. With obstacle avoidance technology powered by Intel RealSense, the drone navigates complex environments with ease. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a drone enthusiast, the Yuneec Typhoon H+ offers unparalleled performance, advanced safety features, and stunning image quality, making it the perfect tool for capturing breathtaking aerial perspectives. Number 6. PowerVision PowerEgg X. The PowerVision PowerEgg X is a revolutionary all-in-one drone and AI camera designed for both aspiring creators and seasoned professionals. Combining advanced technology with versatility, it seamlessly transitions between a drone, handheld, or stationary AI camera, offering unparalleled creative freedom. Equipped with a 4K 60 FPS camera, the PowerEgg X delivers stunningly detailed visuals with superior image stabilization. Its weatherproof design and ability to operate in heavy rain or strong winds ensure you can capture moments in challenging environments. The drone's 30-minute flight time and a maximum range of 6 kilometers provide the confidence to explore vast landscapes. In AI mode, the PowerEgg X doubles as a smart camera, featuring gesture controls and intelligent subject tracking for smooth vlogging or cinematic shots. Its portability, compact design, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for travel, events, or outdoor adventures. Elevate your storytelling with the PowerVision PowerEgg X, a true game-changer in creative technology. Number 5. Beta FPV Cetus Pro. The Beta FPV Cetus Pro is the ultimate choice for drone enthusiasts seeking a seamless blend of performance and accessibility. Designed for both beginners and experienced pilots, this FPV drone delivers an exhilarating flying experience with its advanced features and user-friendly design. Equipped with a durable frame and a reliable brushless power system, the Cetus Pro offers exceptional stability and precise control, even in challenging environments. Its high-performance flight controller supports multiple flight modes, including angle, horizon, and acro, allowing pilots to progress from basic to advanced skills effortlessly. The Cetus Pro features a high-quality FPV camera that delivers crystal-clear visuals, enhancing your immersion in the world of first-person view flying. Its lightweight, compact design ensures portability while maintaining robust performance. Paired with the Beta FPV Light Radio 2 SE transmitter and VR02 FPV goggles, the Cetus Pro Kit is a comprehensive solution for those diving into the FPV hobby. Discover the thrill of flight with Beta FPV Cetus Pro. Number 4. Hubsan Zeno Mini Pro. The Hubsan Zeno Mini Pro is a cutting-edge compact drone designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking premium performance in a lightweight package. Weighing under 250 grams, this ultralight drone bypasses registration requirements in many regions while delivering advanced capabilities. Equipped with a 4K camera and a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Zeno Mini Pro captures stunningly sharp images and videos with excellent low-light performance. Its 6x hybrid zoom lets you explore and document intricate details from afar. The 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth and stable footage, even during dynamic maneuvers. The Zeno Mini Pro boasts an impressive 40-minute flight time and a robust obstacle avoidance system for enhanced safety. Intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint, and Orbit make capturing cinematic shots effortless. With a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers via its enhanced LES 3.0 system, the Hubsan Zeno Mini Pro ensures crystal-clear live feeds and reliable control, redefining compact drone technology. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a lightweight, feature-packed drone that redefines what's possible in a compact design. Weighing less than 249 grams, it's portable and registration-free in most regions, making it the perfect companion for adventurers and creators on the go. This powerful drone boasts a 4K HDR camera with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality and dynamic range. It supports true vertical shooting, ideal for social media content, and its 3-axis gimbal ensures ultra-smooth footage. The Mini 3 Pro also excels in low-light environments, making it versatile for any time of day. With an impressive 34-minute flight time, extendable to 47 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, and a range of up to 12 kilometers, you can explore and capture the world like never before. Advanced obstacle sensing and intelligent flight modes like Focus Track and Master Shots add layers of safety and creativity, making the DJI Mini 3 Pro a top-tier drone for all skill levels. Number 2. Skydio 2 Plus. The Skydio 2 Plus is a state-of-the-art autonomous drone designed for creators, adventurers, and professionals who demand effortless performance and unparalleled obstacle avoidance. Featuring the next-generation Skydio autonomy technology, this drone uses 6 4K navigation cameras to create a 360-degree view, enabling it to fly confidently in complex environments while avoiding obstacles in real time. Equipped with a 4K HDR camera and a 3-axis gimbal, the Skydio 2 Plus captures breathtakingly smooth and vivid footage. Its unique keyframe feature allows users to plan precise cinematic shots, perfect for storytelling and professional-grade production. With an extended range of up to 6 kilometers and a flight time of up to 27 minutes, the Skydio 2 Plus ensures you stay connected and capture every moment. The drone's compact and foldable design makes it portable and travel-friendly. Whether you're documenting extreme sports or conducting inspections, the Skydio 2 Plus combines cutting-edge autonomy with stunning image quality for unmatched results. Number 1. Autel Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Evo Lite Plus is a powerful, compact drone designed for both enthusiasts and professionals seeking superior aerial performance. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Evo Lite Plus captures stunning 50-megapixel photos and 6K video at 30 frames per second, delivering crystal-clear detail and vibrant colors in any lighting condition. The adjustable aperture, f2.8 to f11, ensures optimal exposure control, whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes or cinematic videos. With an impressive flight time of up to 40 minutes and a maximum range of 7.4 miles, the Evo Lite Plus allows extended exploration with minimal interruptions. Its advanced obstacle avoidance system ensures safe navigation, even in complex environments. The Autel Skylink technology provides a seamless live feed with low latency, giving you complete control and confidence. Packed with intelligent flight modes like Dynamic Track 2.1 and HDR, the Evo Lite Plus enhances creativity and usability. Lightweight, portable, and versatile, it's the ultimate tool for capturing your world from above. So guys, that's all for the Top 7 Best Drones Cameras. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.